Hello everyone, today I would like to present our group project entitled Infineon Technologies. This project is part of our academic coursework and focus on analyzing organizational capability and talent development within a global semiconductor company. Through this presentation, we aim to provide an overview of the company, the project context, and our role as a student consultants. For the project introduction, our study is titled Consultancy Project on Organizational Capability and Talent Development at Infineon Technologies Malaysia. This project was conducted as a part of the Business and Consultancy course, where we assume the role of external consultants. Infineon Technologies Malaysia was selected due to its position as a multinational semiconductor company operating in a highly competitive global industry. To provide some backgrounds, Infineon Technology is a global semiconductor company headquartered in Germany and is recognized as one of the leading providers of semiconductor solutions worldwide. In Malaysia, Infineon has been operating since 1973 and serves as a key operational hub supporting manufacturing, assembly, and testing activities for global markets. This makes Infineon Technologies Malaysia a highly relevant organization for studying organizational capability and talent development. And then next for the other members.
So greetings to Dr. Amiruddin. My name is Aina Farhana binti Ismi, and for my part, I will explain the issue and the demand from our consultancy project. First, I want to mention that our group actually went to Infineon Technologies in person. We had a face-to-face interview with their staff, including a senior manager and the engineer executive. This experience helped us to understand the real challenges in the company, not just from reading online resources. So from the interview, we found out that the main issue is the staff capability and the talent shortage. Especially among engineers, even though Infineon has the training programs, the semiconductor industry changes very fast, so employees need to learn quickly and adapt new technologies and work under pressure. Another issue is the high-pressure working environment. Employees are expected to perform well, communicate clearly, and handle stress. However, some employees still find it difficult to keep up, which shows the need for more coaching and people development. Besides that, Infineon is also facing a rising raw material and operational costs, along with the competition from lower-cost manufacturing countries. This makes it more challenging for the company to stay competitive while maintaining a quality. Overall, although the Infineon has already a strong internal system, our findings show that there is a need for external consultancy to support the help and strengthen the staff capability leaders in readiness.
Hello everyone, good evening. So my part is to explain why Infineon need our consultant service for their company. So Infineon Technology requires consultant service because the company face challenges that internal teams often cannot see. Employees are deeply involved in daily routines, which makes it difficult to step back and identify the problem and the gap between operation and strategy. As external consultant, we provide an objective outlook that is free from internal bias. This allows us to detect weakness and misalignments that make an otherwise go unnoticed. We also bring special expertise and structured consulting tools, ensuring the problems are analyzed systemically and solutions are based on the fact rather than assumption. If you don't operate in the high competitive semiconductor industry, so continued improvement is essential. Our team benchmarks current practice against industry trends and best practice, helping Infineon remain competitive and sustainable in the long run. Finally, we transfer interview finding and site observation into practical recommendation that managers can act on immediately. This trend strategy alignment improve operation efficiently and support ongoing growth. In short, Infineon needs consulting service to gain objective insight, identify problem, align operation with strategy, and ensure long-term sustainability in fast-changing industry. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Amiruddin. My name is Haidil Naib bin Kamaluddin. Now I would like to present about model and tools. The business model canvas describes is an approach to how a consulting service provider is able to offer custom strategic and operational solution to assist Infineon Technologies Malaysia to be efficient, innovative and grow sustainably. It outlines the key functions involved in creating and delivering value to Infineon, including specialized consulting activities, resource utilization, partnership and customer relationship management. The model shows how services are aligned with Infineon department needs while ensuring effective cost management and revenue generation. This model is appropriate because it provides a clear high-level overview of the business structure and its strategic fit within Infineon corporate environment. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nakim Shashamizambri. I'm from BTMT3163 Group 2. And I'm going to talk about analysis of business model canvas. So we have here is our business model canvas. We have key partners and value proposition, customer relationship and channels, and also cost structure and revenue streams. So for key partners and value proposition, we have collaborates with industry experts, freelance consultant and training providers. We also are funded by CSR and German government. So for customer relationship and channels, we have long-term strategic partnership with Infineon. And we also have co-development and customization of solution. So for cost structure and revenue stream, we have cost equal to equipment, travel, accommodation, F&B, and also for our revenue, we have project-based fees, retainer contract, and also performance incentive. So this is also from business model canvas. We have customer segment that also link to key activities and key resources. First, we have for the segment, we have marketing, finance, and HR. So key activities, we have market research and industry analysis, budget training and forecasting, training and upskilling programs. So for key resources, we have research tools and analytics software, financial templates, and also learning modules and platform. So now we're going to talk about recommendation and proposed solution. We have 6. First one, we have strengthen partnership, expand collaboration with global industry expert and academic institution. We have second one, enhance customer engagement, that is use interactive digital platform for project tracking and KPI monitoring. The third one, we have optimize costs, adopt hybrid training to reduce travel and accommodation costs. So fourth, we have expand revenue opportunities, offer subscription-based advisory package for marketing and finance. We have align activities and resource, that is ensure tools, templates and training modules match department needs. So the last one, we have promote sustainability and CSR. Use CSR funding for training and innovation programs. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Patricia Binti Rizwan. My menstrual number is B06231064. Okay, so today I will present about the conclusion. Okay, so the conclusion is this consultancy project has highlighted that the critical issue faced by the Infineon Technologies is in remain competitive in this fast-paced environment of the semiconductor industry. Despite its solid internal expertise, the organization still struggle with talent shortage, high pressure working environments, and rising of operational costs. Because of this issue, the need of external consultation is a must to complement internal competency, mainly in areas of human capital development, leadership readiness, and strategic cost management. Through the application of business model canvas that we apply, our analysis shows that the targeted intervention, such as strengthening partnerships, enhancing customer interaction, and optimizing costs through hybrid training models, and further aligning CSR initiative with employee development, can provide Infineon with sustainable solution. This recommendation address that operational concern not only in the short term, but also position the company for resilience and long-term innovation. So the conclusion is the consultancy identified that these are the reasons for Infineon's success, as technological excellence can only be optimized if human capital is growing. Adopting structured coaching, continuous leadership, development and benchmarking will further reinforce Infineon's role in semiconductor while keeping its workforce adaptable, competent and future ready. Thank you. So I will explain about our budgeting for the consulting session. So we have many categories such as transport and meeting costs, data collection, analysis and team discussion, recommendation drafting, training module preparation, and the last one is report writing formation. Okay, for the first one, transport and meeting costs, we kick off meeting with Infineon. We go visit them. It costs us 75 ringgit per person, so it's equal to 375 ringgit. For data collection, we use method interviews, surveys, and observation session. So we roughly estimate the cost is 100 times 3 days, so it's equal to 300. Okay, so for the analysis and team discussion, we use business model canvas analysis plus snakes and stationaries. So we estimate the cost is 30 ringgit per person, so it's equal to 180. For the recommendation drafting, we do the group workshop to develop proposed solution. So we estimate the cost is 40 ringgit per person, so it's equal to 240. Okay, so for the training module preparation, we just design of training and upscaling ideas plus cost optimization. So we roughly budget for 50 ringgit times 3 days, so it's equal to 150. And the last one is report writing and formatting. We just do printing, binding, formatting, and the final report. So we roughly budgeting is 50 ringgit time for 2 days, so it's equal to 100. So the total cost is 1,320. Thank you.